we have here a package. Yes! Ito nga yun. Oh my gosh! Kobe. Let's unbox this Canon aromatherapy machine. Bought this from TikTok shop para siyang push. Weekly raffle, 5-star. So may weekly raffle pa sila. Parang maganda rin ito gawin na. Oh, okay. May libre silang mint leaf na essential oil. We have here our plug. Yan guys. Then we have here our user manual. Very important. Wow. Tingnan natin kung gumagana siya. So I'm very excited to use this one. So tingnan natin talaga kung magbubuga siya. But this is the Canon aromatherapy machine or diffuser siya, guys. May on and off switch, may timer as well. 1 hour, 3 hours, and 5 hours. Ito yung Canon niya. Makikita nyo. And then pag binuksan nyo siyang ganyan. It's made out of plastic pala, guys. Makikita nyo, guys. Ganyan siya. Ito ata yung nagsispin. Ganon siya, guys. Ano pa mga specialty. So, again, I can't wait to be able to use this Canon aromatherapy diffuser. Let's go!